Google just changed what Gemini 3.5 Pro can actually do. Most people are sleeping on what that means for a free service stack. There's a new thinking tier rolling out right now, an X-high reasoning mode that didn't exist a few weeks ago. It pushes this free model into territory-paid platforms charge hundreds of dollars a month for. This isn't a minor patch. It changes what you can build and what you can charge without spending anything. I'll break down what changed, what it unlocks, and how to use it with clients this week. And I'm saving one thing for the end. There's a specific prompt structure that makes Gemini 3.5 Pro X-high produce client-ready output on the very first pass, not after revisions, the first time. That piece is at the end. And once you see it, you won't build any other way. I'm Paul James. This channel is about building real AI services without the subscription overhead. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here's the landscape right now. GoHighLevel is sitting at $297 a month. It has a conversation AI feature, a chatbot builder, and a voice tool baked in. It sells beginners on the idea that one dashboard handles everything they need. The platforms that show up in every agency course tend to carry the biggest commissions behind them. Just worth knowing before you hand over your card. I know what that pressure feels like. I was working out of my brother's garage with no clients and no money. A $300 monthly bill before the first invoice hit wasn't just expensive. It was a wall I couldn't climb. That's exactly why what Google just dropped matters so much to this audience. Here's what we're building with it. I'm calling it the reasoning tier stack. Gemini 3.5 Pro's X-high mode as the engine of a zero-cost client service build. Free infrastructure, professional grade output, no subscriptions anywhere in the chain. So what actually changed? Google added a new thinking budget tier, X-high, on top of the standard model. Think of it as a reasoning dial you didn't have before. Standard mode is fast, X-high mode is thorough. You're telling the model to take the full pass and not flatten when it gets complicated. That matters most for multi-step client-facing work, chatbot logic trees, knowledge-based structuring from raw documents, voice response scripts that hold up under real conversation pressure. At standard mode, those outputs are decent. At X-high, they're deployable on day one. Actually, let me back up for a second. The biggest thing X-high changes is how the model handles ambiguity. Standard mode makes assumptions when a prompt has gaps. X-high reasons through those gaps instead of defaulting to something generic. For client-facing AI systems, that difference is everything. It's the gap that used to cost you a paid platform to close. Here's something else on your radar right now. Google is also pushing Gemini Live toward real-time voice interaction. Backend identifiers are surfacing that point toward early access advanced voice features, potentially voice cloning capability. That's a direct pipeline into AI voice receptionist work for local businesses. And that market is wide open for solo operators who move fast. Here's how you actually access this. Google AI Studio, still completely free. Open a new prompt session and select Gemini 3.5 Pro. Push the thinking budget toward high reasoning effort. Don't leave it on default for anything going to a client. X-high is your setting for client-facing work. Leave it there. And here's the thing most people miss. They test the default output once and think they already know what this model can do. They don't. Run the same prompt at standard mode and then at X-high. The difference in output quality is immediately obvious. And here's where this gets real for someone running a voice receptionist service. Picture a plumber who misses every call the moment he's under a sink. You spend one session with Gemini 3.5 Pro X-high building his AI voice receptionist. The model generates the qualification logic, the response tree, and the full call handling script. That work used to require a paid platform or a developer. Now it's an afternoon on a free tool. That's a $300 to $500 setup fee and a recurring retainer, built on zero infrastructure cost. Let's keep building. Here's where most people fall apart, and it's not the tool. You hand this system to a client and it works in testing. Then it gives a generic answer in a real conversation. The client loses confidence. The retainer disappears. The fix is one step almost nobody includes from the beginning. I'm walking you through it in the next 60 seconds. Now let's talk about where this actually makes money. First, AI voice receptionists. Every roofer, plumber, and landscaper in your city is missing calls right now. You use Gemini 3.5 Pro X-high to build the qualification tree and response script. Then connect that to a free voice layer. Here's what this looks like in practice. A roofing company with 3 missed calls before 9 a.m. You build the AI receptionist in one session. The system qualifies the caller, captures job details, and books a callback. The owner wakes up to new leads he didn't have to chase. You charge $400 to set it up and $175 a month after that. GoHighLevel has a version of this, but it's locked behind the $300 plan. Your version costs nothing to run. Second, AI chatbots for local business websites, chiropractors, dentists, home service companies. X-High reasoning mode means the chatbot logic handles multi-step questions without breaking, appointment intent routing, service-specific answers, objection handling that actually makes sense in context. Setup fee lands around $400. Monthly management retainer keeps the income recurring. The tool is free. Now, here's that step I mentioned, the one that holds both services together long-term, a custom knowledge base. Without it, the chatbot and voice system give generic AI answers. The client loses trust in the first 2 weeks. With it, the model knows the client's services, pricing, hours, and FAQs cold. Gemini 3.5 Pro X High turns a raw document set into a structured knowledge layer fast. You charge that as a standalone deliverable, $200 to $300. It's what turns a one-off project into a long-term account. Here's a concrete example, a dental office. You run their FAQ docs and service list through Gemini 3.5 Pro X High. Takes one session. The model structures everything into a knowledge base the chatbot reasons from accurately. You deploy it on their site. Patients get specific, accurate answers at 11 p.m. when the front desk is gone. The owner sees fewer missed inquiries the first week. You charge $300 for the knowledge base and $400 for the chatbot setup and $150 a month to manage it. That stack runs on zero infrastructure cost. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now, that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here's how this plays out from a standing start. A solo operator, no agency, no team, picks up a landscaping company as their first client. The owner is losing weekend leads because nobody answers on Saturday. The freelancer builds a knowledge base in Gemini 3.5 Pro X High. They work from the company's service list and common client questions. 2 hours of work. That knowledge base goes into a chatbot on the site. Weekend leads start getting captured and responded to automatically. 2 weeks in, the owner asks about adding a voice receptionist for the main line too. That one first client turned into a 3-service account. The entire stack ran on free infrastructure from day one. And honestly, the setup was less than half a day of actual work. The rest was the tool doing what it does when you give it the right structure. Okay, I said I'd give you something specific at the start. Here it is. Here's the prompt structure that makes Gemini 3.5 Pro X High produce client-ready output on the first pass. Start with a role assignment. Tell the model exactly what it is and who it's serving. Then add a context block. The client's services, location, tone, and key constraints. Then specify the exact output format. JSON for anything going into a system. Clean plain language for documents. When you give X-High that structure from the start, it doesn't guess or generalize. It reasons through the specifics and delivers something you can hand to a client without touching it. That's the move. Use it once and you won't go back. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once this is your default. A knowledge base built in an afternoon, a chatbot holding up on a real business site, a voice system generating a monthly retainer, all of it on free infrastructure. That's not a future plan, it's available today. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.